Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Introducing a gorgeous 1968 Buick Riviera. Beautiful silver paint with the black vinyl top. Buick rallies on all fours. Those are power brakes. This also has power steering. Very cool lines. This thing is just gorgeous looking. You saw the headlights pop out and then pop in. Very cool feature with the 68. Powertrain consists of a 430 4-barrel. This is factory air car. And that 430 has gone extensive restoration. All kinds of new parts, new stuff. And we'll have that broken down for you on our description. Please go to our website at cruisinclassicsinc.com and check that out. You'll get all kinds of details there. Very cool car. And of course you had the Riv size, the Riv look, and along with the beautiful exterior comes with beautiful interior, beautiful black bucket seats, center console with the shifter, and that's a TH400 automatic 3-speed transmission. It does have an aftermarket stereo in it as well. Beautiful crystal clear gauge glass. Please hang out at the end of the video too. I'll have pictures of the interior, the undercarriage, the trunk. Some stills so you can get a better idea of what you're looking at. And they're well worth it too. The undercarriage is beautiful. The trunk is gorgeous. Has a spare tire, jack. Also, this car comes with the car cover. And you're going to need a big one to cover this thing. Beautiful 1968 Buick Riviera with factory air that blows nice and cold. Hideaway headlights. I mean, just the coolness of this car cruising down the road is something else. One of my favorites. Again, hang out at the end of the video for the stills that we have. Also, cruisinclassicsinc.com is our website. 614-276-7355 is our number. Give us a call. If you have any questions about this car or any others that we have in stock, we'll be glad to help you out. Please check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Check us out on YouTube. We sure would appreciate it. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.